Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to cook cheese sticks. First, let's get everything ready. You'll want to gather your frozen cheese sticks, along with your breading ingredients like flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. Also, have your preferred cooking oil ready. Setting up a clear and organized workspace will make the entire process much smoother and more enjoyable. This initial preparation is key to achieving perfectly cooked, crispy cheese sticks. Now let's get those cheese sticks perfectly coated. Take each frozen stick and first dip it into the flour, ensuring it's lightly dusted. Next, move it to the beaten egg, letting any excess drip off. Finally, roll it generously in the breadcrumbs, pressing gently to ensure full coverage. For an extra crispy result, you can repeat this egg and breadcrumb step once more. This double breading creates a fantastic, crunchy exterior. It's time to fry. Heat your cooking oil in a deep pan or fryer to exactly 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the oil is hot, carefully place a few breaded cheese sticks into the oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Frying in small batches ensures even cooking and maintains the oil temperature. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and the cheese is wonderfully melted and gooey inside. Once your cheese sticks are perfectly golden, carefully remove them from the hot oil using a slotted spoon or tongs. Place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil, ensuring they stay wonderfully crispy. Serve these delicious, hot, and gooey treats immediately with your favorite dipping sauces, such as marinara or ranch. They make a fantastic appetizer or a satisfying snack for any occasion. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.